Well, y'all, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, whatever it is, wherever you're at. This is Richard again with the 4108 bus. That's Brian's Bus Adventure. Today I decided to do a little plumbing. What I did the other day, I went over to one of the box stores and bought some PEX A tubing, and that's supposed to be the cat's pajamas or whatever you want to call it in tubing, because it expands instead of breaking. So I thought I would start today. It's about 105 degrees outside, so I have all the air conditioners turned on, and what I'm doing is I'm cutting out the old PVC. You can kind of see that laying down here in the floor down here. Excuse me, throat's going to get somewhere. Going to plumb this side of it all the way back to here, and that's to this sink. So I'll plumb it. It goes through that cabinet, through this cabinet, behind the refrigerator. You can see it here, behind that refrigerator, and back out to this location right here. As you can see, I've already ran the red, which is the hot, and I've just now cut the length of the PEX A to go ahead and run it down through. But the thing with the PEX A is you need some extra equipment to do it. You need a PEX A expander, which I got the other day, and you need some PEX A collars that actually hold the whole thing together once you get going. If you don't know what a PEX A expander is, well, I'm going to show you here in a second. And this is the tool. This will actually go in the tool, and that right there will go up inside of the tubing, and as you squeeze it, it expands it out, and you put your fittings in there, and then as it contracts, it makes a positive, almost unbreakable connection. So that's what I'm doing today here on the Brian's Bus Adventure. I hope you enjoy it, and it is hot, 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 hot. Again, thanks for watching. Like it, share it, and subscribe to it if you can, please. And we'll talk to you soon.